I've been trying to find a job driving heavy equipment because it pays a little bit better, and Russell hooked me up with this guy, Jason. He said he's got a lot of businesses around town. He's like a really creative guy and is somebody that I should know. I also think it could be a big supplier for us at the grocery store.
Elaine's gonna be an almond tree shaker this morning.
If I can do 50 trees an hour, it's $1 a tree. That would be amazing.
How's it going?
Good morning. We're running late. We have 300 acres here, so you're gonna have to get it going, you know? At first, I don't expect you to move too fast, but I do expect you to keep a steady pace.
This is like nothing I've ever seen. This is really farming at a big level.
All right, so if you wanna get in, I'll just kind of show you what's what. Okay, you're gonna drive up to the tree. You're gonna extend the boom out. It'll grab it, it'll shake the tree. You wanna shake it for about 4 to 5 seconds. Then you'll release it and you'll bring the boom back in. You'll drive up to the next tree and you'll continue.
Okay.
A few days later, another machine picks up all the almonds, puts them in the truck, and then they're delivered to the huller.
Right on.
You know, I had some reservations about Elaine working the shaker. You know, it's an expensive piece of equipment. Make sure you keep an eye on that arm that it doesn't hit the tree. But we have 300 acres of almonds, and a lot of people aren't willing to do this kind of work. Okay, go forward.